bars?
They are basically a red velvet cake mixed with a cheesecake. It's really yummy. We haven't tried it yet, so make sure to comment down below if it is a fab or fail.
But before we get started with this amazing, hopefully amazing video, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already by pressing that huge red button down below. We recently just reached 18 subscribers, and thank you to every single subscriber that we have. We're hoping to get more.
Hit the notification bell in this corner so you get notified whenever we post a new video.
And finally, hit the thumbs up. That huge thumbs up right there, this one that you see right here that I'm giving a thumbs up to. And tell your friends about our channel.
So, let's get started.
Whoa, let's go.
Half a cup or 1 stick of butter, plus a little more for greasing.
1 cup of granulated sugar.
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder.
1 pinch of salt.
4 to 6 drops of red gel food coloring.
1 teaspoon of white vinegar.
2 lightly beaten eggs.
3/4 a cup of all-purpose flour.
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and grease your cake pan.
Now it's time to make the red velvet cake layer. First, put your melted butter and sugar into a bowl. Once it's mixed, add your vanilla and stir until incorporated. Add your cocoa powder and salt until mixed. And then mix in the food coloring and vinegar. Then add your eggs and stir to mix. After you've done all that, fold gently your flour until just mixed. Your finished batter and set it aside. Then take the rest and pour it into your prepared cake pan. And now it's time to move on to the recipe for the cream cheese stuff.
These are the ingredients for the cheesecake layer. First is 1 8-ounce pack of cream cheese.
1/4 a cup of granulated sugar.
1 egg.
1/2 teaspoon of vanilla.
Add all the ingredients together and mix. Take this mixture and pour it over your red velvet mixture and smooth it with a rubber spatula. Reserved cake batter that we set aside just a second ago and drop little blotches on the cake batter or the mixture of cake using, and then take a knife and swirl it into a swirling pattern.
Now that your batter is in the pan, put it into the oven for 30 minutes.
Let them cool completely before enjoying. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up.
Hit the notification bell in this corner so you get notified whenever we post a new video.
And make sure to hit the big subscribe button right here if you haven't already, which you should have already because we told you, and you should have already been subscribed. But
and finally, comment down below whether you think this was a fab or fail.
So yeah, we're gonna have like a little
bloopers
by Brooke because there were so many. Like, and just making the intro, it took so long. I'm not even kidding. But they were going to be so funny. So
thank you guys so much.
Peace.
Bye.
What's up, y'all?
Our
What up,
decent
all?
moment to ourselves.
Can you please? You said it would be like 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. You've just been messing up the same one.
Okay, Brooke.
It's not my fault!
Okay, Brooke.
It is your fault, actually.
Brooke, we're still taking. We need to go.
Oh.
Let's
get
get
started.
Oh, gosh. Okay. Take.
What's up, y'all?
Oh my gosh!
Guys.
What's up, guys? Oh my gosh! It's okay. We can say what's up, y'all.
No, guys.
Okay,
Boom.
ready? Making again. Going again.
You want me to just take it?